of the following bird's nest has opening at its lower end? Option is A. Sparrow, B. Dove, C. Tailor bird, D. Weaver bird. Answer is option D. Weaver bird.
Which food item can be eaten as such without cooking? Option is A. Bitter gourd, B. Cauliflower, C. Carrot, D. Rice. Answer is option C. Carrot.
The place where we live, its surrounding is called what? Option is A. Planet, B. Pollution, C. Environment, D. Earth. Answer is option C. Environment.
Which of the following causes air pollution? Option is A. Smoke from factories, B. Burning fossil fuels, C. Smoke from vehicles, D. All the above. Answer is option D. All the above.
The young one of swan is blank. Option is A. Kid, B. Bunny, C. Foal, D. Cygnets. Answer is option D. Cygnets.
A table cannot move as it is a blank thing. Option is A. Living, B. Non-living, C. Heavy, D. Light. Answer is option B. Non-living.
Find out the odd one. Option is A. Roots, B. Leaves, C. Climber, D. Stem. Answer is option C. Climber.
Where do monkeys live? Option is A. Kennel, B. Stable, C. Hole, D. Tree. Answer is option D. Tree. Did you know, giraffe have spots on his body whereas zebra is stripes on their body?
Tree is an example of which kind of resource? Option is A. Abiotic, B. Biotic, C. Man-made, D. All the above. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then like the video.
Hoopoe is? Option is A. An insect, B. A reptile, C. A bird, D. A fish. Answer is option C. A bird.
Which fruit keeps the doctors away? Option is A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Strawberry, D. Mango. Answer is option A. Apple. Which animal is coming?
Lion.
No, it's a tiger. Did you know, tigers live between 20 to 26 years in the wild.
What is a young cat called? Option is A. Lamb, B. Cub, C. Kitten, D. Fawn. Answer is option C. Kitten.
How did man first start to produce fire? Option is A. Matchsticks, B. Burning petrol, C. Striking stones, D. Using natural gas. Answer is option C. Striking stones.
Legs have feet and arms have blank. Option is A. Ankles, B. Pelvis. C. Hands. D. Skull. Answer is option C. Hands.
The baby of a partridge is called blank. Option is A. Calf. B. Chick. C. Foal. D. Cheaper. Answer is option D. Cheaper.